Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Bam Bam here. What's going on? So we actually just finished up the whole house. All new fixtures, new faucet, new toilets. It's a brand new house. All the pipes ran underneath the slab. There's a total of 6 bathrooms here, which we all finished. Plus we also did 2 heat pump systems as well in this house. So we have another one that we did. Here's another one. So yeah, we got another one. So we got a total of 6. And in each room has an outlet and a return. So there's a total of 6 rooms, 6 bathrooms over here. Here's the mechanical room where we actually put all these in too. So all these are done. Those are hot water heaters on demand. Here's a extra bathroom. So like we said, we put returns in every room. There's a return over here. Nope, that was the supply. That's the return. Oh boy. So yes, we got another bathroom. We did all that. All the plumbing here. All the HVAC. Heat pumps. Everything runs off of a sensor. All the thermostats are over here in basically the computer room, I would assume. Right there in the wall. There's 2 sensors. There is also sensors in the return. Got another one over here on the wall. So this is the 2 heat pumps that we put in. They're all done. Ran all new lines, new propane line, new tank. Call Bams. We can help you. Plumbing, HVAC, you name it, we pretty much do it. Give us a call. 914-224-7174.